This is the Vector R1. Manufactured by Denel Land Systems, in the Republic of South Africa. It is based on the FNFAL. Designed by Belgian manufacturer FN in 1949, the R1 is chambered in 7.6 to NATO, and features the quick change barrel system, allowing it to be chambered in multiple calibers. The R1 was used until it was phased out by the Vector R4 and 5. Based on the IM Igalo platform, the R1 featured a 20-round magazine and a 21-inch barrel, making it a full-size battle rifle such as the M14 or Brit Shell 1A1, also based on the FAL